Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, power the Legion go off and remove all cards and cables. Do not boot while working. Ground yourself, use an anti-static wrist strap or touch a metal table frequently because static kills components. Remove the rubber feet, then use a Phillips #00 and a plastic pick to lift the rear panel carefully. Once the cover pops, make sure you can see the SSD bay and battery. Proceed slowly to avoid snapping clips or stripping screws. Once you have access, find the M2 socket. It's held by one small standoff screw. Unscrew that with your #00 driver and lift the board edge slightly to free the module. Pull the SSD out at approximately a 20 degrees angle while touching only the edges. To install, align the notch and slide the new 2230 or 2242 module into the slot until it clicks. Then tighten the standoff screw snugly. Reassemble by replacing the rear panel and rubber feet. Snug the screws in a cross pattern to avoid flex. Boot into BIOS immediately. Press the volume and power combo. Then check that the new SSD appears and is configured in the boot order. If the system does not detect the drive, power down, reseat the module, and confirm the standoff screw isn't bridging contacts. As a key tip, if problems persist, try the original SSD to verify the slot works before assuming a bad drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.